Hello everybody, this is a quick heat loss calculator I made for iOS devices. It'll work on an iPhone or an iPad. You have to first go to the App Store, download the program FileMaker, and then in the section below I will put a link to my email address, and I can email you this file, and you will open this file up on FileMaker. In the same way you would open up an Excel file, you would need the Excel program to use it. You can use this on any desktop, however, you will have to actually purchase the FileMaker program. But for iOS or iPhone, you get the program for free, and you can just and I'll send you this file for free, and you can have at it. This quick heat loss calculator is used based on just based on fuel consumption. Right now I have it up here for heating oil. You can also do it by gas per 100 cubic feet, or therms, or propane gallons. If you use it for natural gas or propane and you have other appliances using that same fuel, then this would actually give you the highest possible heat loss you would need. It'd be better to try to isolate the heater only if you could, run it a couple days, take those degree days in gallons used or therms or BTUs used, and design it that way. But let's take a quick simple look at how this works. There is a little help menu here to help you out. So this resets everything, so we'll reset everything, clear the entire format. So let's go heating oil. We're going to pick heating oil, and you have a 86% efficient appliance right now. And let's say, like I said, you can either do a time period for gallons and degree days, or you can go for a whole season. I'm going to show you a whole season real fast. So let's say your customer used 975 gallons for the entire season for heat only, and I'm going to look up a standard, I have a sheet here that I made. So I'm in Pennsylvania, in Broomall. I'm going to hit that for my design temperatures. And the average degree days, 4,500 degree days. Design temperature, my area is 12 degrees. So that basically tells my heat loss is 57,197 as a general. Now for heating oil, you know, you don't get appliances this small anyway. So if you're under 65,000 BTUs, they get the smallest one for heating oil. And this happens to work out pretty well. I do have a couple people using it, and they say it works great for heating oil specifically. But these numbers are actually from my house, and when I did this complete heat loss on RightSoft, I came out with like 56,000 BTUs. So it's I think it does pretty well, especially for heating oil. Right here I have a list of all design temperatures. Again, I got this off the internet and downloaded it. One thing to note, degree days do change. They do start to shift, as do design temperatures. They do creep. Design temperatures have been creeping up a little bit over the last 20 years, and degree days have been going down. But you can always go in here and edit these, add new ones, create a new record. You can delete them if you don't like them. Really, most people tend to do heat loss in their own specific area, so you might not need that. You might just need to know your design temperature and the number of degree days, and that is basically it. Again, there'll be a link in my description below, my email address, and you can just send me an email and put heat loss in the subject line, or heat loss calculator, and I will send this off to you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.